Hidden beneath the waters of lush ponds, a secret awaits, small, powerful, and packed with goodness. These are the seeds of prickly water lily plant, which is when popped are known as foxnut or makhana. From ancient times to modern kitchens, foxnut have traveled a long way to become a snack sensation. Today in this thrilling journey, we will see how foxnut is made. Foxnut production has been ongoing for over 200 years. First discovered in the Mithilanchal region of Bihar, India. Now, India is the largest producer of foxnuts, accounting for 90% of the world's makhana supply. Foxnuts are mainly grown in regions with sufficient water resources. Rainfall-rich areas such as Bihar in India are ideal for growing foxnuts. First, farmers create nurseries for the water lily plants, preparing shallow water bodies up to 2 feet deep. The seeds of water lily are sown during the pre-monsoon season, usually in April and May. After a few weeks, water lily leaves begin to emerge from the seeds underwater. Once the plants mature, they are transplanted into ponds with depth ranging from 1 to 3 meters. This is a labor-intensive job as farmers perform the task manually. After transplanting, foxnut plants takes about 4 to 5 months to mature. The plant grows leaves and beautiful purple flowers, which eventually produce fruit beneath the water. Typically, one plant has 6 to 10 fruits, and both the leaves and fruit are covered with pricky thorns, posing a significant risk to workers during harvest. Farmers carefully monitor the water levels to maintain consistent depth, ensuring healthy plant growth. As the fruit grow, their increasing weight causes them to sink underwater. When summer arrives, the fruit becomes fully mature and burst due to internal pressure, releasing all the seeds. These seeds float on the water surface, coated with a pink mesocrap. As these seeds receive excessive heat from the sun, the mesocrap rots and the seeds sink back to the bottom, becoming trapped in the mud. After a month of being trapped in the mud, the seeds are ripened and prepared for harvest. However, not all seeds are ripened at the same time. Some needs more time, while the ripened seeds can't stay too long in the pond, otherwise they will not pop. Therefore, the harvesting process is done twice in one season. During the first harvest, only ripened seeds are collected, leaving the unripe seeds for the second harvest. Harvesting typically takes place in late August and September. The fisherman community, known as Malha, is traditionally ideal for harvesting. Farmers remove the thorny leaves using sticks. This is a risky task due to the danger of being pricked, but still poor workers perform this job for money. They work tirelessly for over 4 days, wading through water up to 4 feet deep. The seeds are harvested by hand, a labor-intensive process where farmers kneel in the water to pick the matured seeds from the pond bottom. If the pond is too deep, farmers dive underwater to retrieve the seeds. The harvested seeds are collected in a special type of basket known as gauze, which is used to clean the seeds and separate them from the mud. Despite their best efforts, collecting all the seeds in the pond is impossible. The second harvest is even harder, as fewer seeds remain and workers must search the mud for those left behind. Once the seeds are harvested, workers stomp on them with their feet in a container to remove the slimy layer from seeds. After stomping, the seeds are washed in water and then packed in sacks to be transferred to the factory. Before popping, the seeds are sun-dried to remove all moisture. Sun drying is crucial because it determines whether the seeds will pop or not. Seeds are dried for 5 to 7 hours to completely remove moisture from outer surface of the seeds. Workers bite into a seeds to check if it is dry and ready to pop. After drying, the seeds are sorted and graded into 5 to 7 batches based on their size. Grading is important because each batch requires a specific amount of heat during the roasting process. Next, the seeds undergo gentle roasting in a clay wok. During roasting, they are constantly stirred to prevent burning. After the first roasting, the seeds are left to rest overnight for about 15 hours. The next day, they are ready to be popped. The seeds are roasted in a series of heat wok. 6 iron woks are heated at once, each maintained at a different temperature. The seeds are heated gradually as they move from one wok to the next wok. Constant stirring continues throughout the process. After heating in the final wok, the seeds make a subtle crackling sound. Some seeds pop on their own, while others require external force to pop. Workers use paddles to break the outer seals of seeds and reveal the white, floppy foxnut kernels. During popping, about 10 to 15% of seeds do not pop because they miss the paddle's heat. Popping is a body-breaking process as workers handle hot seeds with their naked hand. After popping, the foxnuts are polished to remove any remaining cell fragments. Finally, the foxnuts are packed into airtight containers to retain their crunchiness. Packaged foxnuts are sold in various weights, from small snack packs to larger bulk quantities. Earlier, makhana was used for traditional purpose in India, especially on festival and ritual occasion, but now it has become world's popular snacks and ingredients due to their nutritional benefits. Foxnuts has lots of nutritional benefits as it contains low calories, high protein, zero fat and sugar, good carbohydrates, calcium and more nutrients that make them great for weight management, digestion, blood sugar regulation, heart, kidney and bone health. So this was the entire journey of foxnut production. I hope you have enjoyed this video and gained some knowledge. If you found this video informative, like, share, comment and subscribe for more updates into such fascinating videos.